Welcome to this training on Bisphenol A, or simply BPA. In today's session, we learn what BPA is, where it's found, and how we can keep our products safe. What is BPA? BPA is a chemical used to make strong plastics and resins. It helps plastics stay clear, light, and tough. That's why you can find it in many everyday items around us. Where BPA is used. BPA is commonly used in bottles and food containers. It's also found in the coating of metal cans. And in Bangladesh, we sometimes see it in thermal paper receipts and even in certain textile trims used in garments. Why it's a concern? Here's the problem. BPA can act like a hormone inside the body. This may affect growth, reproduction, and even brain function. And small amounts of BPA can move, or leach, from plastics into food or water. Human and worker exposure. Workers may touch BPA when handling coated fabrics or paper receipts. They may also breathe it in during processing. For consumers, exposure happens when food or drinks come into contact with BPA-coated containers. Environmental impact. BPA doesn't just affect people, it affects nature too. From factories, it can enter air, water, and soil. It can harm fish and aquatic life. And while it does break down over time, it still creates risks for wildlife. Global regulations. Because of these risks, many countries now restrict BPA. For example, the European Union bans it in baby bottles. Canada, the United States, China, Malaysia, and the UAE also have bans or limits, especially for children's products. Industry best practices. To stay safe and compliant, brands and retailers now demand BPA-free products. Factories must follow restricted substance lists and test all materials. Regular lab checks are the key to keeping exports compliant. Safer alternatives. The good news is, we have safer choices. Materials like glass, stainless steel, polyethylene, or polypropylene can replace BPA plastics. And for can linings or thermal paper, we can use BPA-free coatings and developers. Key takeaways. So, let's remember. Use BPA-free materials. Protect both workers and consumers. And by meeting buyer requirements, we'll keep Bangladesh garments strong and trusted in the global market. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope this training has helped you better understand BPA, its risks, and its alternatives. If you found this session useful, please share your feedback. That way, we can keep improving our training programs for you.